Hello all, my name's Kevin and welcome to Altitude Drone. Today we'll be flying over the treetops. Just going to see how long the signal lasts for with the DJI Neo 2 before I have to take it down. Going to play some music. I hope you enjoy this nice relaxing flight, and if you have any questions just leave them in the comments. And also, what do you think of the DJI Avatar 360? There's been a lot of reviews, some good, some bad. What's your opinion of it?
Echoes call my name. Nothing feels the same. They begin to rise. Mirror in your eyes. Dreams are coming near. Magic fills the air. Flying through the glow. Dancing with the flow. Higher we will go, where the lights all show. Flying through the glow, dancing with the flow. Higher we will go, where the lights all show.
Hi all, so that lasted about 2 minutes and 34 seconds. It's a nice little test there. So that's my baseline. I'm going to try that again, see if I can go further, push this Neo 2 further. It's a great little drone. This is Kevin from Altitude Drone, over and out. And see you in the comments, everyone. And have a great day.